And then we have last point for today. We have to change our simulation to learn one new point. Okay, maybe it looks difficult, but it's not so difficult. You will understand at the end. It will be clear how it works. So, if I see again, so yes, is this recalculation? It's clear idea what's happened. Yes, engineering is force divided initial area. Yes, in the reality our area is changed, and then we have to recalculate with these formulas through a stress through a strain, and then we have correct simulation. Yes, strain is also big difference now. Yes, it's only 0.1, not 0.4, and deformation is much more difficult, much more hundreds. Yes, and now this simulation, last simulation, is correct. What we did to do this correct simulation? Okay, again, what we have to define? We need to define nonlinear material properties. Yes, if we have big deformations. Yes, then we need to recalculate it in through a stress through a strain. So, then we need to define material properties, nonlinear effects. Yes, for every material. We need to say ledge deflection on, and we need to use RS6 no. And if we do all these points, we will get real correct mechanical simulation. Yes. So the last point, what we have. Non-linearity we have in contact. And now our main task for today, we need to calculate this situation, 200 Newton force with contact. So for example, what I did now, 100 or 200 Newton together, 100 half model, yes, for example. This task is always in simulation. So for example, customer told us we have 200 Newton load force now. Yes? The question is how much is the stress? So, in reality, you cannot do what we did now. Yes? 200 Newton phase. What it means, I have 200 Newton. Okay, my direction is changed. Yes, in reality, I have a fast part, and this part moves. And I have to calculate it. So, and then the question, how much is stress by 200 Newton force. So, how we can do this simulation? So, if we understand how it works, then we know everything to do correct simulation in 2 weeks. So, okay, please close simulation, and open geometry again. We need to create second geometry. Yes, we have to learn contact between two parts, and we need two parts first. So this is real task. The question is how much is the stress if force 200 newtons. So how we can calculate this task? Okay, we need to create new geometry. Yes, this is only one part, and this part makes our 200 Newton force. So how we can do it? We need to create a new part. Okay, for example, I choose this face, then I go to sketch tool, sketch mode, and then I need to create new sketch, for example, rectangle here, not important where. Okay, it has to be, for example, okay. For example, okay, we are doing one element, not important how much, 10 millimeter, for example. 10 big, 10 bright, not important. So, and then we are going to 3D tool. Okay, we use this this function pool. Yes, and then we create some, I don't know, 10 millimeters again. So in this direction. So then we have these two parts. And for maybe important to okay, how much is distance between parts? And my simulation is 2 millimeters. Yes, for example. I have, for example, 2 millimeters between parts. Yes, you can move parts. For example, if you push 3 times mouse, then you can choose body 3 times mouse, and then you can say move. And for example, I can make 1 millimeter between parts. So 1 millimeter between parts. For example, I can move, use measurement. Yes, and I see distance 1 millimeter. So okay. Please do it. You can choose body 3 times, push mouse button, and then you can use move, and then you can move. You can choose with shift, with strong, 2 lines, and you see how much distance here down in the region. Distance 1 millimeter. Okay. Everybody have to create these 2 parts. Did you do it?
1 millimeter?
1 millimeter distance between parts. You will see that it's important, this distance. Well, try to do 1 millimeter between parts.